Oh, I'm gonna tell you right now, you got spoiled. That does not happen often.
Jesus Christ. Oh, shit.
Hey, they're flying down. Get ready. Get ready. Tom, they're coming. Get your gun up. Slowly, 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 slowly. Just whichever one. I've got them all. I've got them all to shoot one. You better shoot one. What? You better shoot one. I'm getting nervous. Shoot the one on the decoy. There you go, buddy. Just let him work off. What? Just let him work off and then we'll go get it. My gun clicked. I know. That's why I started calling real loud to give you some noise. I can't believe those were... I can't believe all of them were Jake's.
What's that?
They were all Jake's, but... Really? Who cares? I'm shocked they had some manly gobbles for Jake's.
Yeah, it's not the one I was wanting to shoot, but... It started taking off.
Yeah. Did you hear that one that... There was one getting nervous. They were gonna leave.
Yeah.
I mean, half of them had already left. But Oh. I'm gonna tell you right now, you got spoiled. That does not happen often. I had a hunt earlier this year during bow season, and bow, you can't sit on your ass, you gotta be on your knees. I didn't move an inch for 25 minutes. I had to literally lean back and pull myself off my legs. I'd fallen asleep so much. Oh, yeah, buddy. That was awesome. They're almost out of the field. They're not even sure what happened.
No.
So.
They could definitely come back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my poor decoy took a beating. Oh my gosh. Just got a little nub, but that don't matter. You gotta start somewhere.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem. Glad we could get it done. They made some damn noise this morning. That's so crazy. Almost looks like a Miriam. It might. No, it's a hybrid, but it's got some white in it, that's for sure. It's a pretty bird. I couldn't tell until they got real close if they were Jake's or Tom's.
There was one that was huge.
Yeah, that one in the back that stood with the hens, when he came running up, I thought it might have been a Tom, and then he went back into strut, and I was like, oh, maybe not.
So this one, he never left the decoy.
Mm-mm. He was on it for like...
There was another one, and then there was one that came right here, and that's when I clicked.
Yeah.
Those things huge.
Mm-hmm.
I clicked. And I was like, oh, shit.
I heard that click, and I was like, oh.
Last shot. Probably right here.
I would say, it looks like he hit him a little body.
But he dropped right away.
Yeah, no, he didn't even flop, which is pretty rare for a turkey. Usually they sit there and flop for 5 minutes. They're actually about the most destructive thing on a turkey when it comes to its beauty is the fact that it flops forever and just loses feathers constantly.
Unreal.
Like I said, you just got spoiled.
I know.
Like,
The sun hasn't even fully rose.
no. Oh, it's been shooting light for 10 minutes. That might be the earliest I've ever watched somebody kill a turkey.
And I probably could have shot earlier, but
Oh,
I
yeah.
wanted to get light out for footage.
I mean, I don't know how well you could hear me, but when the first one flew down, I was kind of a little in shock that they were already flying down. Usually they fly down about now.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay. And then they all started flying down. I watched the first bird go into strut, and it kind of started already working this way, and I was like, oh my God, get your gun.
Insane.
Oh my gosh.
We can walk back and take pictures.
Well, we'll set the decoys up again and get you a picture right by the decoys.